Hi, you guys. Welcome back. My name is Carrie Penny. I am the Happy Crafty Homemaker, and I am super excited to share with you guys what we have going on. So, as the title would suggest, we are going over the end of September, beginning of October subscription box reviews, or subscription box unboxings, not reviews. I've already reviewed both of these companies. This is not a review. This is not that. Anyway. As many of you guys may already know, I subscribe to Yarnable and by Hypnotic Yarns and ALC's subscription box. I did review both of these in previous series in my subscription box review series. I am doing a monthly unboxing share of my subscription boxes separate from my show and tell, mostly because I made the decision to not continue reviewing subscription boxes for the rest of the year. Post 2020, we have had a readjustment period within the subscription box sphere, and particularly when it comes to crafty subscription boxes. We've had some boxes no longer available to us as the companies have gone out of business or were no longer able to support themselves with the way business was going. Or we've had some companies that are trying to get established, but they're not to the point yet that they can support, say, an extra 20 people subscribing to their subscription box. So I thought it was prudent to maybe take a break from reviewing subscription boxes, which is really weird because it's the entire reason I started my channel to begin with. That was the whole like motivating force to doing this was the subscription box review. So it is weird to not be reviewing, but I did not want to stop sharing. So y'all, wait until you see what we got. Oh my gosh. Yeah. So we already know I'm going to love whatever's in these boxes because as we have discovered with now having a year of Yarnable and most of this year with ALC, oh my God. Like, yeah. ALC tends to dye, Nikki is the company owner. She tends to dye yarns that are very, very Carrie. They're just very Carrie. And I'm in love with all of them. I have made separate purchases because this was not an exception to the very Carrie. So, extra bag. We have a sticker. I make pretty things with yarn. We have scissors, which I do use these a lot. I have a 3 or 4 pairs of these. Well, I can't get them to pop that last little bit to turn. Oh well. It'll take more fidgeting than what I've got. Oh my goodness, you guys. Anyway. I'm just making... They want to open. They do. Oh well. Scissors. I find getting them open that first time is always a fidgety thing. I probably should have spritzed some fish oil stuff. Comes in the blue can. WD-40. Here you go. We have another threaded pear bag. This is one of the ones that fold in to itself. It's a little fold-in toady tote. I'll never be able to get that all the way back in, all nice and neat, but and then the little pouch that it folds itself into becomes like a little pouch on the inside of the bag. Little tote bag. Woo! We have a little, it says free gift, but it's a little stitch marker. And if I'm really loving the companies that if they're doing a larger stitch marker, it's on the wood instead of on something much heavier. So, actually, I never did scratch my scratchy this month I don't know what my extras are. Or discount code. Blue and white stripe project tote from Threaded Pear, folding traveling scissors. I make pretty things, plus the stitch marker. This is one of those cases where this would be a lot easier if scissors would have opened, because dadgum. So my coupon code is for $5 off. So I need to make my purchase. Yesterday she uploaded the February things, and or not February things, the fall collection. So I need to go place my order if there's still some available. But I went to bed, like I tried to go to bed early. Like I've said, show and tell 161 and my quarterly update. I'm not sure what order the last two videos are going. This one and quarterly update are going up in. I've been up awake since 2:30. I didn't go to sleep till 11:30, but I was in bed. I was trying to go to sleep. So this is hopefully mine. Very much a Carrie color. Woo! Beautifully complements my complexion. Very much something I'd wear around my head, neck, and face. So, yeah, I need to go make my order online. If there's anything left, I'll use my coupon code. I'm going to put this over here. So, surprised to no one, ALC is right up my alley. I'm starting to wonder, like, does she make the box for me? Because otherwise, we're just twinsies. Up next is Yarnable. Yarnable this month, Cheryl outdid herself. As much as I love the, do not even, no. But so we all know, if you've been around the block a time or two with me, Carrie loves Halloween. Hence why I host the Spook Your Spring Make-Along in May. We got a theme. We got a cute theme. So we have a raven sticker here. Deep into that darkness, peering, long I stood there, wondering, fearing, doubting, dreaming dreams of dreams no mortal ever dared to dream before. So if you can't tell what our theme is, we also have a raven T-ball. And this is a standard T-ball with a little raven charm on it, which is, just for the record, adorable. I really need to start unwrapping these things completely before I start filming these things. But we've just got like a standard T-ball with a raven chain. We got a, this is Literary Tea Collection by Simpson and Vale, Edgar Allan Poe's Black Tea Blend. And this is black tea with bergamot beetroot. So I imagine this is going to kind of taste like a more traditional Earl Grayish kind of tea. I don't want to open it until I'm ready to start drinking it though. So, and our other thing is actually really, really cool. So I like the DeliQ bags quite a lot. I have quite a few of these. I got one in like the Jimmy Bean subscription box that I reviewed a couple of years ago. I got a couple in the Mad Tosh kits that my local LYS here in Waxhaw did. I got one in another like mystery box bag thing, but at no point in time have I seen custom DeliQ bags. And if you're DeliQ, and this has been customized for Yarnable, which I think is really, really cool. And I like the fact that the tag also has the raven theme. But I really like these bags. They are great if you are using mini skeins and want to travel with them. I have this size and the one size up from this. I do not have the large size. But very, very convenient bag. But you guys, it is October. It is Spooktober. It is time for the fun and spoopy. And this month's yarn totally fits the bill without being raw. It's Halloween. I love this. This isn't that, like, I love playing with the theme without being obvious. And this is called the Raven. I get the plush sock with the ALC. I get the DK. This is 85% superwash merino, 15% nylon, 100 grams, 246 yards, 225 meters. This one is also an 85-15 superwash merino and nylon, 437 yards, 100 grams. So we have very, very different color palettes, but I'm equally excited. So much fun. So much fun, you guys. So much fun. And once again, you know, very, very thoughtful extras, very useful extras, things that you're actually going to get use out of. Unless you don't drink tea, in which case the tea stuff's kind of lost on you. But certainly you have a friend who would love a good cup of tea that you can re-gift it along to. I'm very happy with this month. I'm really enjoying, I'd never had threaded pair products before until I started getting the ALC bag. And that's who she tends to go to for the, if she wants to add a bag to the subscription box, which I absolutely love. I think this is one of the more useful type things that you can get in a subscription box that you're actually going to just kind of grab and use regularly. And get real regular use out of it. So I am always going to say that a bag is a good idea. What do I do? I may actually get this tucked in. I am never going to be opposed to getting a good quality bag, whether it be something I'm actually going to use necessarily with my crafting, or if I'm going to use it as a shopping bag. I'm never going to be opposed to getting something like this. I do like getting stitch markers, but I am picky about the stitch markers I use. I do not like heavy stitch markers. So something like this is a perfect little extra for me. I know I'm going to get tons of use out of this. I do drink tea. So I'm looking at like my desk here full of stuff going, once again, they nailed it this month. Everything is thoughtful, well planned out. It's a nice coordinated set for each box. They're both very, very different. I can't complain. I'm very content. I'm a very content Carrie with my purchases. So anyway, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and dive off of here. This is the third video I filmed. I've been filming for an hour this morning, so I am going to take a quick break. And then I got to get on with the rest of my day. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful, fantastic day. I don't know if this is going up on Saturday or Tuesday, but whichever day it is, I hope it's awesome. And I hope the week has been awesome and treating you really well. Please take care. I love you. And I will see you guys real soon. Bye, guys.